Hi, I'm Kelly from Using Technology Better, bringing you the latest updates and new features with a side order of how they might make your day go a little bit better. Today, for our Google Education update for June 2023, we have quite a few cool and very exciting updates for you. So the first one is Bard. So Bard is Google's AI, and you can now use it for your school accounts and your business accounts, just for accounts that are not rated as a 18 or under. So those for your students can't use it, but of course the teachers can, so long as your admin allows it inside your admin console. So they'll need to go into the additional Google services, look at the early access apps, and then turn that stuff on for you. The second update is around moving folders to shared drives. Finally, so you can now move a folder, not just a file, so a whole folder full of stuff into your shared drives. Super exciting. I know this has been a real frustration for a lot of people for a very long time. The third update that I have is around a classroom. So practice sets. I've been waiting for this. I've been able to see this for over a year now, and it now is there for everybody. So down the bottom here, we have practice sets that you can jump into and create a practice set for your students. Essentially what these are is a Google self-marking form that also gives the students helpful hints on how to fill in and answer these questions. We'll go and have a look at one that I've prepared earlier. So if I try this as a student, so I've got the question here, find the example of a half. So there's a few of them in here. It's a multi-select one. So you can do a single select like this one or a multi-select. And if I get stuck, I can click this little show a hint, and it's going to give me a little helpful hint around how to actually answer this question. As the teacher, when I set this up, I didn't have to find that information. I just told Google what skill I was trying to cover, and it's pulled that all for me. If I'm still not quite sure as the student, I can click on this extra help button, and it's going to give me a whole heap more help. Things like videos and those helpful little teaching resources here as well. So I'm so excited. And then for those students that really need to write down their work, they can show it in here. If you have a touchscreen device, they can click the inking tool button, and then they can ink inside here as well. So they can actually be working it out in the tool before they actually answer the question. So excited about this. This is going to help with workload quite a bit. And of course, once you set up your practice sets, you can use them over and over again. Now, the next one that we have is the ability to drag and drop images into a spreadsheet. So now you can just take it from a document that you've already got or a file that you already have and just drag and drop it into your sheet. Nice, easy way of getting your images in there. The second to last one that I have for you today is the ability now to replace images in slides. So I can now right-click on my image and go to replace image and go and choose what that I want. Now let's find a Simpson character. And it replaces it in there for me. Nice and easy. Don't have to go and insert one and then get rid of the old one anymore. I can just replace it out. And the final update I have for you for May is the ability to add emojis to comments that are in Google Docs. So on the side here, I will have a comment that I've put into a child's work, and they can actually add an emoji reaction to that. So it might be that they got stuck, or that they got it done, or that you said something funny. It's up to you. So a really cool way of making sure that your students are reading your comments when you're putting them into the docs is getting them to actually put an emoji on there to say that they have either read it or actioned what you've put in there for them. So lots in this update this month, but definitely some pieces of gold, particularly with all the AI stuff that's coming through for you guys. I'm Kelly from Using Technology Better. This has been your June update.